Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and in today's video, we are going to be discussing the possible DJI Mavic 3 leak that was spotted in a patent from China. So let's take a look at it. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Drone DJ. I am on their website for this video. I will leave a link to the article in the description below. So right here we are looking at the DJI Mavic 3 patent potentially. Could tell us a lot about this upcoming drone. So as you can see here, there are some key differences with the design. First of all, the camera takes on a circular shape. We also see an additional sensor added to the top. Other than that, it really does look like the Mavic 2. It does have that traditional Mavic body. The battery looks to be redesigned. It has 4 lights on it indicating how charged it is versus being around the button on the top, so that's interesting. So here's what it says: the DJI Mavic 3 design has appeared to leak in the latest round of DJI patents uploaded to the Chinese patent office, featuring a new larger camera, updated battery, and new sensor locations. While we aren't 100% that this is the Mavic 3, it looks likely that it is. The patent has a simple title of Unmanned Aerial Vehicle with an application date of January 22nd and a publication date of May 28th. This exact patent has been on the database for a little while, but an image was never attached before. Today, the image has been made public. While digging around in the patent, we found that we were unable to open the full text and documents. Taking a look at the drawing attached to the patent, we were able to see a few new design choices which led us to believe that this is a new drone. Taking a look at the camera, we can see a boxier design with sharper gimbal arms than found on the Mavic 2. The camera lens has also gotten a new circular shape. Hopefully it supports ND filters directly like the Mavic Air 2 does. Looking at the new battery, we can see the usual power button with the battery indicator light forming a ring around it. Looking further back, we are able to see 4 dots which appear to be indicator lights for displaying battery power level. The battery also appears to have new indents on either side of the power button. One of the first things I noticed when looking at this image is the position of the upward facing obstacle avoidance sensor. This would obviously protect the drone from colliding with something above it. There is what appears to be a rear sensor seen in item 420. So then it goes on to say, taking a look at the full abstract below, it doesn't tell us much other than it's a foldable drone that follows the same design as the Mavic line. Yeah guys, let's see here. It talks about a release date. We had originally thought the Mavic 3 would release this summer, but the virus which shut down Shenzhen earlier this year and saw DJI employees work remotely caused substantial delays in production. The release date now points toward late Q3 or early Q4. It's also important to remember that some of the products in these patents are early ideas and sometimes do not make it to the production stage. Given that the Mavic is already an established line and the clear Mavic lines of the diagram, we believe this is likely to be the real deal. Be sure to check out the rest of our Mavic 3 coverage, including what to expect and what the drone community wants to see. Okay, so basically guys, yeah, we got a sneak peek here at the Mavic 3, most likely. We'll see what happens leading up to the release. I feel like it's a good sign if we're seeing this. It seems like they finalized their design and they filed for, this patent. This is likely it, guys. I knew it would be similar to what we saw with the Mavic 2, some minor changes, but really it's going to be all in the specs of the drone, like the video quality. Hopefully we get 4K at 60 frames per second. The picture quality could increase. A lot of things could happen here. Anyway, I want to say thanks to the people at Drone DJ for keeping us up to date with drone news. This article was written by Josh Spires on July 24th, 2020, so I'm a little late. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know what it was. So stay tuned. I will definitely be getting the Mavic 3 as soon as it comes out. So I'm going to be doing all types of coverage whenever that happens. Definitely hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you're updated when I make new videos, and also smash that like button. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.